Hello, good morning students. Today we will keep continued exercise 7.2. In early session we have completed question 1 of the sub question 1 to 5. Okay, now today we are going to solve 6 to 10. Okay, now we will start 7.2 question 1 and its 6 number. Okay, 13,824. See, 13,824 last digit is 4, so remind that last digit is 02468, then it must be divided by 2. Okay, now divided by 2, 6912, again divided by 2, 3456, again divided by 2, 1728, again divided by 2, 864, again divided by 2, 432, again divided by 216, again divided by 2, 108, again divided by 2, 54. Now 54 divided by 2, 27. Now not possible by 2 because last digit is 7, so divide by 3. 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 1 ja 3. Okay, here now we have obtained prime factorization. Okay, now make triplet. Triplet means group of 3 factors. So first 3 2 cube, then again second 3 2 cube, then 2 cube, then 3 cube. Okay, now write 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 3 cube. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 3 the 24. So cube root of 13,824 equal to 24. So this is the answer. Now 7 number 110592. 110592 divide by 2, 5596, then again 2, 27648, then again divide 2, 13824, again divide 2, 6912, again divide 2, 3456, again divide 2, 1728, again divide 2, 864, again divide 2, 438, 432, last digit is 2, so again divide 2, 216, possible, again divide 2, 108, 54, 54 divide 2, 27, 27 divide 3 now, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now making the triplet, 2 3 times, again 2 3 times, again 2 3 times, again 2 3 times, and 3 3 times. So we have write in exponent form. 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 3 cube. So 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 the 48. Okay, therefore cube root of 11 cube root of 11,0592 equal to 48. Okay, now 8 number 46656 divide 2, you will obtain 23,328. Again divide 2, 11,664. Again divide 2, 5832. Again divide 2, 29 16. Again divide 2, say 1 4 5 8. Again divide 2, 7 to 9. Now see, 7 to 9, last digit is 9, so not divided by 2. So divided by 3, you will obtain 2 4 3. Okay, 24 3 ja 72 and 3 3 ja 9. Again divide 2. 8 3 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3 81. 81 divide 3, 27 3 ja 81, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Now making the triplet of the prime factorization. Okay, so first 3 2 cube, next 2 3 times 2 cube, 3 3 times 3 cube, multiply last 3 3 times 3 cube. Okay, so 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, 2 to the 4. Okay, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. So cube root of 4 6 6 5 6 equal to 36. Now 9 number. Okay, 17 5 6 1 6 divide by 2. So 87 808. Last digit is 8. Divide by 2. 43 904. Again divide by 2. 21 952. Again divide 2. 10 976. Last digit is 6. So divide by 2. 5488. Last digit is 8. So divide by 2. 2744. Again divide 2. 1372. Again divide 2. 696. Again divide 2. 343. Now not possible divided by 2. So divide by 7. If you divided by 7, 7 also not possible. 5 also not possible. So divide by 7. 4 7s are 28. 34 minus 28 6. And 3 6 3 63. 7 9 ja 63. So 49. 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So in this way we can obtain prime factorization, that is 2 3 times, again 2 3 times, again 2 3 times and 7 3 times. Okay, so 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 7 ja 56. Therefore cube root of 17 5 616 equal to 56. Okay, now last number. Nine 1 1 2 5. Okay, here is the last digit is 5, so it cannot be divided by 2, so we have start from 3. So divide by 3. 30 3 7 5. Again 3. 1 0 1 2 5. Again 3. 3 3 7 5. Again 3. 11 25. Again 3. 3 7 5. Again divide 3. 125. Now 125 obtain. Not possible by 3. If you divided by 3, then there will be remainder. So divided by 5. 25 5s are 125. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Now making triplet of prime factorization. So 3 3 times, 3 3 times and 5 3 times. Okay, now 3 multiply 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45. 45 cube means cube root of 9 1 1 2 5 equal to 45. Okay, so today now we will keep up to here. Question 2 true false and 3 is for your homework. Okay, you can do yourself or from PDF.